we're going to do some wheel bearings on the 300 two-stroke.
We pop the seals out. We're going to start banging these. You're going to keep moving around. A little sleeve inside there that sometimes gets retained. Just going to move that out of the way. Just about there.
There she goes. Right, that's one side, and you just get the drive side will have 2 bearings, and this
bearing side will only have 1.
Yeah, the disc side will have just the 1. Now you should be able to take that sleeve out, hopefully. Here she comes. It's been 60 hours, so she's in well need of a bearing change.
Now you jump to the bronze punch.
Get the brass punch and go from here. The dual bearings will take a bit more force to come out. So, okay. So this is pushing out the dual bearings.
Sorry guys, we lost the brass punch.
Yeah, that's why there's a pause.
Yeah. You just got to make sure there's enough room for the bearings to slip down. That's why we sit on top of 2 pieces of wood.
Yeah.
And you just want to go around to the side.
Both bearings are out now.
Now so clean up.
Yeah.
Clean up all the old dirt and grease and everything that gets inside there.
Yeah, and give this thing a nice once over. Okay, so we're going to, after you've done your cleanup, we'll go and press in the first set of bearings.
Yeah. So I like to run just a little, this tiniest bit of grease around the inside of there. Just helps if there's any, gets any water in it, doesn't rust up or any aluminium. First bearing goes in. I've got a little driver here that I made up. Just sits, bearing sits really snug on there and it pushes on the outside. And it just makes for easy work. Should go a bigger hammer. Seal goes in last.
Put the seal on.
Now what you want to do is you want to pack the inside of your seal all in there with grease, and it helps make them last a bit longer. Sit that on top there. Started. So otherwise you tend to pinch on the edges. So back to your driver. All the way home. Perfect. One side done.
Alright, now we'll flip this bad boy over.
Let me show that I pull in the last of that.
Yeah, just put a little more grease in there. Grease is your friend. Right, so your little sleeve goes in between.
Yeah. It's got its nice rubber rings to sit itself all nice and central. I absolutely love that design.